That is funny.
She is dead, dude. Mean as hell.
Hey loves, this is Eyeshadow and I'm going to be teaching you how to do this tutorial. I went inside my Too Faced palette and grabbed the really nude natural creamy color, and then I went with a light brown and mixed it in with a darker brown. I'm just going to put that in my crease nice and smooth. Next, I went in my Soft Glam palette and applied that really nice burgundy color in the corner of my crease in small circles. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the front just how I did over those two browns. I guess the inner and blend those two back and forth nice and smooth. Next, I grabbed a darker brown and just applied it in small circles along with the black. Now I'm cutting my crease and going over those two. I also baked my crease also. I went with like a champagne deep rose color. It's like a pink or whatnot. And then I'm gonna hit it up with the eyeliner. And it's okay if you don't get it perfect. You can also use concealer at the end of it to make it even more even. And then I like to go in the corner just to make my eyes look more catty. Using more of that Egyptian look or the slanted eye look. Then I just put some eyelashes. So yeah, this video was really easy. And doing this eyeshadow was super easy. And y'all make sure y'all subscribe and share it to y'all friends and family. And this is also more of my work that I have done recently. Hope y'all like it.
Get your ass out the way.